Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gorgeous and spacious 6-bedroom, 8-bathroom house for sale. It sits on half an acre and is located in the gated community of Breadnut Close, Redding, Montego Bay. This beautiful home is on 2 levels, the upper floor being the main house, fully furnished with added electronic security, double drive-in garage, and an expansive patio of the living area, giving you sweeping views of the ocean and not to mention the beautiful garden with fruit trees and adequate space to add more blooming plants and herbs. The ground floor has 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, self-contained with a large kitchen and perfect for hosting or an income earner. There is also a community pool. The Reading area is one of the most sought after residential communities, just a few minutes outside the town of Montego Bay. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 820,000 or Jamaican $126.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.